Breaking bad habits isn't easy. But what if I told you there's a way to rewire your brain to finally overcome them? In this video, I'll share the science behind how habits are formed and how you can change them for good. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Stimulating Minds, where I dive deep into mental health, personal growth, and how to live your best life. Today's topic is something we all struggle with: breaking bad habits. Whether it's biting your nails, procrastinating, or binge-watching Netflix, we've all got habits we wish we could stop. But here's the good news. By understanding how your brain works, you can actually rewire it to break those bad habits and replace them with better ones. First, let's talk about how habits are formed. Habits are automatic behaviors triggered by cues in our environment. The process happens in 3 steps: cue, routine, and reward. For example, let's say your bad habit is snacking late at night. The cue might be boredom, the routine is heading to the kitchen, and the reward is that instant satisfaction of eating something. Over time, this loop becomes hardwired into your brain. Now, let's get into how you can rewire your brain. This concept is known as neuroplasticity, which means your brain is constantly changing and adapting. By repeatedly doing something different, you can literally change the pathways in your brain. The key is to break the habit loop. Start by identifying the cue, what triggers the bad habit. Then, change the routine. Instead of reaching for snacks when you're bored, try doing something else like drinking water or reading. Over time, your brain will create a new pattern. Here are some practical strategies to help you break bad habits. 1. Replace, don't remove. Instead of just trying to stop a bad habit, replace it with a healthier one. If your bad habit is scrolling through social media, replace that with reading a book or taking a walk. 2. Start small. Don't try to change everything at once. Focus on one habit at a time. 3. Use triggers for good. Just like bad habits are triggered by cues, you can use triggers to remind yourself of positive habits. For example, place a book on your pillow to remind yourself to read before bed instead of checking your phone. Consistency is key when it comes to rewiring your brain. It takes time to form new habits, but the more you practice, the stronger the new neural pathways will become. Set yourself up for success by creating an environment that supports your new habits. For example, if you're trying to eat healthier, remove junk food from your house and keep healthy snacks readily available. Breaking bad habits isn't easy, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can rewire your brain for success. Remember, it's all about small, consistent changes over time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on mental health and personal growth. And let me know in the comments, what's one bad habit you're ready to break? And what will you replace it with? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.